Hi, this is Jim from the Wax Shop. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use our cherry snow foam through a foam cannon and how to properly wash your car. What you need to do is add 2 to 3 ounces to your foam cannon, which has already been filled up with warm water. Attach the top and mix lightly. Now that I have these foam cannon loaded with the cherry snow foam, I have also added 2 to 3 ounces in a 5-gallon bucket, which is going to offer additional lubricity and keep your wash mitts nice and clean. I also have an additional bucket with just clean water. You want to rinse your wash mitts in between panels so you do not cross-contaminate onto other panels and cause any additional scratching. So the first step in this is to completely wet down the car and concentrate with the high pressure hose to eliminate any heavy soiled areas. Concentrate on the wheel wells and the lower rockers so that way you get rid of any heavy grit and road soils that may contaminate the paint. The good thing about using a snow foamer is that it coats the whole vehicle in your wash solution and then allows additional lubrication and also suspends the dirt to minimize scratching. We created the solution to have very long dwell time to give you enough time to wash the whole vehicle without having to reapply the foam. Now again, you're going to take your 2 wash mitts, start at the top of the vehicle, and work your way down. Rinsing your wash mitts frequently, again, it'll stop you from cross-contaminating other areas of the car. One thing you'll notice when using this product, it's super slick. We've made sure that we've increased the amount of lubricating properties versus our competitors. When you're washing the vehicle, you'll get to certain areas and it seems like it's dried out. Not with this product. It gives you very long work time. Now we're going to rinse the vehicle off. And as you can see, even with the amount of soap that we use, or that was on the car, it rinses very easy. We've also added some optical brighteners and some wax in the soap to leave the vehicle nice and shiny. So I'm going to blow out some of the areas that collect a lot of water. That would be the mirrors and by any trim. Now, when drying the vehicle, I like to use a waffle weave towel. These waffle weave towels hold a lot of moisture. You should be able to get a whole car done. Try not to go in any circular motions when drying a vehicle so you do not introduce any fresh scratches. Again, I'm not applying any pressure, letting the towel absorb and just move the water around. When doing side panels, I do like to move side to side. The whole purpose is to make sure we don't introduce any new scratching to the vehicle. Now I can take my additional towel, go around, check windows, mirrors, and wipe any drips that may have dripped from areas that hold water. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. Please look for more tips and tricks on how to maintain your vehicle from the Wax Shop.